Thank you very much.
Several dignitaries are here to witness the launch of the new Sltv pay TV service. The satellite television network is targeted at meeting the needs of the sub-Saharan Africa pay TV viewing market using top cutting-edge technology to provide top-notch programming for the people. Introduced on the 10th of January 2023, the network has over 50 television channels that cut across movies, sports, entertainment, and lifestyle. There are also channels for the kids.
Traditionally, I've had a lot of interest in media. I know the power of television. It has the power to do good, to bring information to everybody around the country, to educate the public. That brought my interest into broadcasting.
And we pray that in our various ways, particularly the regulatory agencies, will give you the needed support to make sure that this will be an encouragement. It will not only generate employment for the teeming Nigerians.
The service offers 2 monthly subscription packages of either 2,500 naira for the basic package and 5,000 naira for the gold package, with 1 year free subscription access. The multi-tiered bouquet allows for customers to choose from a variety of channels based on their preferences and budget.
Partners all over the world, and we also have a lot of local partners. So we're creating a lot of content locally, which is basically what a lot of people are telling us they need in Nigeria. They need a lot of local content.
Commending Metro Digital Limited for this feat, the Director General of the National Broadcasting Commission urges the network to adhere to the NBC code that states that all contents must align with the country's culture and norms.
As a responsible regulator, the National Broadcasting Commission stands ready to support you and other broadcasters who uphold the tenets of broadcasting, particularly in ensuring the proper licensing and distribution of content and the avoidance of inequitable practices.
Secretary to the Government of the Federation, represented at the event, announced the President's plans to make Nigeria an attractive destination for both local and foreign investors. This will involve increasing the supply of electricity across the nation, which in turn will increase the demand for satellite pay TV as more homes gain access to power.
This administration recognizes that no meaningful economic transformation can happen without steady energy supply. We are moving in the right direction and step further in our quest to restart local refining of petroleum products, with the Potoko refinery almost ready to start production, the Dangote refinery already fully on stream, and of course Warri and Kaduna refineries also undergoing their time and will be ready for operations very soon.
The plan of Metro Digital Limited is to provide families in both rural and urban areas access to affordable satellite television. Georgina Ndukwezainka, Arise News.